So my neighbor told me about this thing called the gelatin trick, and at first I thought it was just another one of her health fads. But then I started noticing the changes in her. She had more energy, her skin looked clearer, and she just seemed to wake up without that sluggish feeling. I was curious, so I asked her what she was doing differently, and she told me about the gelatin trick. Apparently, it's all about mixing unflavored gelatin from the grocery store with water, and taking it daily. It's ridiculously cheap and easy. Researchers say that gelatin can help improve digestion, which in turn can help the body burn fat more efficiently, and that's exactly what my neighbor was experiencing with the gelatin trick. As she continued with the gelatin trick, she found that she was able to drop that heavy feeling after meals, and her overall health just seemed to be improving. If you're interested in trying the gelatin trick for yourself, I've got a link in the description below to a simple recipe you can follow, and be sure to check out the pinned comment for some helpful tips from people who have already started incorporating the gelatin trick into their daily routine. Take a look and start your journey to better health with the gelatin trick.